up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this occasion, as you can see me with no makeup, because our makeup today it will be about special effect makeup for beginners. So stay tuned, let's start. So we're gonna be using this kit. We have the scar wax here. As you can see, the kit like this you can buy it on Amazon, any little store online, Spencer's. Yeah, basically I don't know if you can find any Michael. So we're gonna take a good amount of the wax and it's a little bit hard. We're gonna pack it. It will be on a small injury what I'm creating right now, like a cut, when you cut with something. In the center, you have to be a little more concentrated, the product. In the outside, you wanna like blend it out. I'm gonna use a sponge for this, but first I like to make sure that I have a good amount of product. Let's not make it too deep. So then we're gonna use the sponge to soften the edges. You can use the spatula as well. Give you also like a softer effect. And I also gonna use my fingers to blend it in. Okay, right on top of this part where you have more product, so you're gonna make the cut. I soften it down a little bit because I think I put a little bit too much here. So can you able to see the little cut right here? Alright, now let's start to doing the makeup. So now let's get the makeup done. We're gonna use I got two different shades of foundation here. If you have concealer, you can also use concealer, the closest one to your shade, to your skin color, to your complexion. And with a sponge, you're gonna start to paint up. All over. So all the wax you have to apply the foundation, and as always all the edges, so you have to blend it out. I'm gonna use a little bit of the lighter shade for the outside part of the wound, the injury, to make it look like a little bit more like my skin color. So alright, the next step is the coagulated black. I got this eyeshadow because I thought the blood it wouldn't be enough thick, but this one is a pretty good one. So if you have like a very lightweight fake blood, which is like too watery, you can use first a black eyeshadow and just make it inside a little bit dark, and then on top you can put the black. But with this one it's not necessary because it's very thick. So inside the injury, and make sure As you can see, it's very thick.
Yeah, coagulated.
So little by little, this is a little bit too much, right? You're gonna be putting it inside, depositing inside. Hey, stay there. Okay. Hello, how it looks.
I'm gonna faint.
So, alright. It's supposed to, okay. Let's stay here. Let me open a little bit because it's giving me a hard time staying inside. So, alright, and a little bit on the outside in the corners of the injury. You have to look like it's how do you call it, irritated. Like we're gonna use something, I don't have in this one a red one, but I'm gonna use a little bit of purple,
Brown?
kind of, yeah, to make it look like that's a little bit irritated and red. Just right in the corner. And I'm gonna soft a little bit. I'm gonna touch my blood.
So pretty much el eyeshadow rojo, the red eyeshadow is like outside.
It's the outside to make it look like it irritated. So when you got cut, normally your skin gonna get red a little bit here, right here in the corner.
Looks good.
Yeah. And that's it. That's a super easy special effect makeup for beginners like you and me
That you can use for Halloween. Yay! Don't hurt yourself anymore.
I won't. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do this at home. So let me know, tag us if you do it on Instagram, in our Instagram, VFX Cosmetics. And thanks for watching. See you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button like.